Hi, this is Sarah from The Savvy Professor, and in today's video, we'll be talking about why your Amana washer is making a grinding noise during the wash cycle and how to fix it. Let's get started. The grinding noise can be caused by an unleveled washer. If your machine has a drain pan, it normally rubs against the bottom of the machine, causing a grinding noise. It happens when the bottom is lower to the drain pan due to a bulky load in the wash basket. To fix the problem, inspect the bottom of the machine to see if your drain pan is grinding against it. Try raising the level of the feet by tilting the plastic or metal feet anti-clockwise to raise them. Also, tighten the screw nuts on the feet below the machine cabinet. If the problem has been reoccurring, check if the drain pan is damaged and replace it. The noise can also be heard when the washer is overloaded with clothes. When your wash basket is overloaded, it causes a grinding noise. Try checking the manual of the washer to see the load required in your washer, because bulky clothes can cause water to splash off the wash basket, leading to this grinding noise. Additionally, when putting the clothes in the wash basket, distribute them evenly and leave room for them to move quickly. Avoid covering the impeller's middle and loosely load the clothes in the wash basket. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Till next time.